This is the last camping holiday in the van. The M.O.T runs out next week. After 18 years, it's time to say goodbye to the old girl. I can't help myself. I'm going to put it in for another M.O.T. I know it's going to fail on this door handle. I somehow managed to break this door handle off. So, whatever I clipped along there, damaged that, and smashed that off. How I never dented the van, I don't know. I've just got back from the garage and it's failed on front lights, 2 holes in the front chassis, windscreen washer, and of course the door handle. I'm going to do it. I'm going to re-M.O.T it. I've welded up the 2 holes in the front chassis, one on each side. I didn't bother videoing that. Over the years, there's plenty of videos on this channel welding up this van. And this is the other side. So luckily, that's the only 2 patches it needed for the M.O.T, or I wouldn't have bothered. So to clean the lights for the M.O.T, I just literally got a rag, soaked it in solvent and just wiped it over. And that took all the sort of milky, yellowy film off the top. So that was nice and easy actually. In the past I've polished it. Right, this is the new Transit MK5 door handle. So it comes with the new back. I thought it was just the plastic handle part that came, but no, it comes complete. So now what I need to do is strip it out and put it in. I've been trying to figure out how I get to that door handle, the fixings on that door handle. There's a cover here and it was held on by 2 rivets, there and 2 round there. So I've drilled these off. I just need to knock that one off. Take this cover off and then see what I can get at. So I need to remove these 3 screws there, and this will loosen off the door catch. Right, so let's loosen that off. But I can't figure out to get that out. I've been struggling with it for quite a while. So there's 1 torque there. And there's another one round there which I can't get at. So what I've done is cut them holes in the door there. And now I can easily get at the 2 torques. And I managed to remove the other torque with a long thin screwdriver just down that side. So I put 1 torque back in up the top and the bottom of the handle. What I'd done was screwed a lump of stud into the handle before I pushed it through, and then put a nut on it. It was so simple to get to. And the door works a treat. And then all I've done was just covered the hole with some tape. In fact, this handle has never been that good in about 10 years. Well, that's it. That's it for another 12 months, and that'll be the last M.O.T. It'll be the scrapyard for her after that.